Derizoberi okwijaha nko mugenyi mukuru as I witness and confer and affirm the diplomas and certificates to our graduates. I want to thank God so much. Ejino graduation ya kashatu kuiha Global College of Business and Studies etandika twenda kusimara hanga munonga hawa abana benja bajogiremu twenda kubasima principal nabatahi bawe ahabo kubasa kushoza beji twenda kushaba ngo rahanga yongere gukora this institution. So nyenda kubanza kutandika no kusima uwishemwe Katongore ahabo kubasa kutandika institution age kandi akakoragana na government kugira ngo habe institutions ezakubasa kuyamba other institutions of higher learning then tukahendera twine abantu bit population yitu yona eshomere nimbasha ngo mutero umugaro munonga. Nyenda kutwara umugishogo kubebaza aba board no kwebaza principal na nabe abashomesa mwebare munonga mwebaro kwehayo mukarara abana bitu haciro. Mode of delivery ya speech yanje yahinduka kumwatanduka kugamba ninja kujindura following oyanyu ninyenda okwebaza munonga abeji ninja bangu twe nabayija ahabwa bejaba okugumisiriza bakashoma bakaheza bakararako bakarara ekikomando bakazinga enyanda bakazinga enyanda mubatera umungaro munonga hatimwe abargo makaganyu abazire itwo mashomero kuno yetu ine kitweto kuzinga enyanda ekyo nicyomanyisa okugoyo buro obuhunga akandi ware bubwana buro obuhunga eraka ryo buhunga emyaka 2 n'ekicweka akagitera muheru mbwenu mukuruke bana mukuruke mukama nayebare okuboza mu ryecho mwebare okurwana mashija ari kigambo ecyahandikirwimo bikiriza ombiburi muri Samuel yo kubanza ishura ya kanumushorombo gwa mwenda ore yagira tumurwane mashija mwebare kurwana mashija mutahimukire muri mbaro mwebare okurwanda bazire banyu hato deba hata bakikuru nabo bargo wabo bijambara manyamwijambara rahangana yibare kandi echo nikikuru munonga ntwenda kubibaza abeji okwehayo munonga. Now to you graduate, like I started saying, you need to work out with this microphone, my brother. I want to congratulate you for you have now come to the end of this struggle. But I want to note that it is the beginning of the struggle.